Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Caught a nasty cold, have we? Oh, I feel you. It's downright frustrating, right? When those sneezes hit, it's like your nose is throwing a party and your brain didn't get the invite. But hey, I've got good news for you today. We're going to dive into how to get rid of that pesky cold. So, let's cut the small talk and get straight to it, shall we? Get rid of it! First things first, let's get this straight. What's a cold? It's like that uninvited guest who doesn't know when to leave. Scientifically, though, it's an upper respiratory infection caused by a bunch of different viruses. Kind of like a squad of microscopic party crashers. It's not a heavy hitter like the flu, but it sure knows how to make you feel miserable. You see, these tiny invaders hitch a ride on the droplets when someone sneezes or coughs near you. Yuck, right? Even touching a surface that has the virus can get you down with a cold. A study in the Journal of Hospital Infection back in 2020 found that some of these viruses can survive on surfaces for up to 9 days. Alright, now that we know our enemy, let's get to the strategy of beating it. You've probably heard the old wives' tale. Feed a cold, starve a fever. While I'm not telling you to down an all-you-can-eat buffet, keeping yourself well-nourished and hydrated actually helps. Hydration is your body's best defense, like putting out the fire in your throat. Researchers at the University of Nebraska Medical Center did a deep dive into chicken soup. Sounds deliciously scientific, doesn't it? Their research in 2000 found that chicken soup indeed helps to soothe a sore throat and clear nasal congestion. But hey, it's not about ordering the family-sized chicken soup from your local joint. It's all about the hydration and the hot steam that does the trick. Next up, your body needs a timeout. It's fighting a war inside, and you need to give it the break it deserves. Remember when the American Journal of Physiology said back in 2019 that lack of sleep messes with your immune response? It's true. So, get those Z's and let your body handle the rest. Rest and recovery isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. You can also recruit some over-the-counter pals to ease the symptoms. But remember, they're not cures. They're like those friends who help you clean up after the party. They can't send the cold virus packing, but they can certainly clean up the mess it makes. Back in 2016, a study published in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology found that decongestants, pain relievers, and cough suppressants can provide temporary relief. But make sure you read the label and follow the instructions carefully. Okay, folks, that's a wrap on how to get rid of a cold. Now, you've got the tools to kick that cold out of your system. Remember, the best defense is a good offense. So, eat well, stay hydrated, get ample rest, and stay positive. And hey, if you liked what you saw, why not hit that subscribe button? And don't forget to share this video with your buddies, because sharing is caring, just not when it comes to colds. Got a personal cold-busting tip? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy.